Today we're going to be removing the starter from this 2020 BMW X5. Alright, first thing we're going to do is lift up the vehicle. I already have it lifted up and secured with jack stands. I'm going to remove this bottom cover here. There's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8? I think I lost count. Yes, 8 16mm bolts, and then it had a couple of them here, but these have already been removed and I have no idea what they are. So let's remove this cover from here and then we'll be able to get to the starter. And it looks like underneath these covers there is another bolt right in there. There it is. So total of 10. Alright, I got that metal pan off. It's probably aluminum, or I don't know. But here is the starter. It looks like we're gonna have to remove this cover from here as well to be able to get to it. Looks like we'll just remove that retainer clip there. Maybe this one there. And then we could disconnect everything from here. Disconnect the pigtail, the power connector, and then hopefully just drop it enough to be able to unbolt it from its location and get it out. Alright, I got the retainer clip from up here. This one I broke. I could not get that one out. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the pigtail and then disconnect the power from here. Alright, it's going to be a 13mm socket. Alright, and there it is, disconnected. And the way I was able to get this pigtail disconnected was with a flathead. Go from the front of it and just kind of raise it up and walk it out, and here it's coming off. It is held on right here. Looks like maybe we'll be able to open this up here and I'll release this clip using the flathead. But there, I got it off. I'm just trying to get some room here. Yeah. Alright, looks like there's 3 8mm bolts. 1, 2, and the third one. Alright, so the third bolt's gonna be all the way up in there. So 1, 2, and the third one way in there. Not that one. That one. So once we remove that, that starter should come out. Alright, and there it is. The starter is out. Whoa. This sucker is heavy. Be careful with your head. That shit almost got me. Legit almost got me. And there you have it. That is how you remove this starter. Looks like the only thing we'll have to transfer off is just this little rubber plate that goes around that, and we're good. Sweet. And to install it, just do the opposite, reverse way. I am underneath the car. It is like 40 something degrees outside. I really don't feel like making a video of how to install it. It's fucking cold, so just reverse it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Now to see if it was worth it. Worth it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.